On the DMs by all of the people, they're going to say, whoa, you're spamming me, cut it out. So you got to kind of lay back, relax, play hard to get, if you will, and slow play on, if you're a card player, slow play that by asking questions. Brian, let's just say we've got a client that's, let's say they have a podcast, they're a life coach, and the perfect person for them is, let's just say an exec, like a CEO or something, a C-level. And these people are generally, they work a lot of hours, they're stressed. This is their avatar. This is who they want. How would we go about approaching? How would we slow play? How would we not ask for marriage on the first time we meet them in the DMs? How would we slow play that?
Yeah, so you're going to target groups of that type of listener, of that type of person. So when you're looking, let's fast forward. We've already gotten to the group. Yep. We've already found the person. How does the one conversation happen with the perfect avatar? All right. Yeah, so we can certainly jump in. I think the one thing that I'll mention before we go into the maybe examples of what a conversation might look like is there's 3 pieces to our messaging campaign, and that's each and every message we send.
Okay.
It's going to have 3 pieces. It's going to start with a hook. It's going to have a story in the middle, and it's going to have an offer at the end. So I'll give you an example, right? So you're messaging this perfect listener. It's this executive, this life coach potential listener, and you're on a social media platform, and maybe you join the same group as them. You take a look at their profile. You notice they have maybe a cool background picture, or maybe a cool, a successful post. They, just got promoted. They just bought a new car. Their kid just graduated college, whatever that might be. You do a tiny bit of research before you send that first message. And that message might look something like, hey, is that a picture of Mount Everest in your background? It looks awesome. Just something that is going to stop the scroll, right? The purpose of the hook is to stop the scroll. And I know they're not looking at their news feed, right? They're not going through different articles and pictures. This is a direct message, but you want to catch their attention and sort of prevent them from thinking that you're spam right off the bat, right? You're not trying to sell them something. You're not trying to get them to invest. I won't put anybody on blast, but yeah, you're not trying to recruit them. You're not trying to sell them something, right? We'll put it that way. So it starts off with the hook, congrats on your promotion. I love that picture in your background. Your kids, your dog, your family is so cute. Something that just breaks the monotony, right? It's not, hey, my name's Brian. I got this podcast. You want to check it out? And then with a just link in the first note. It doesn't work like that, right? You're not going to have much success.